Hello my dear students, my heartily welcome to Gurudeva Learning Classes. Dear students, today we will be learning and dealing with very interesting topic of our food, that is the food and health. So dear students, as you learned from the previous classes, we have learned many things, right? So once we have to recall before going to today's part. So dear students, what we have learned regarding this topic, let us know in detail. So as you know all, food is one of the very important part of our daily routine, right? So the food gives us energy to survive, right? So as well as the food is divided into different parts, such as carbohydrates, vitamin, minerals, fats, protein. These are the different types of nutrients which are present in the food. So dear students, the water also very essential for our survival, because the food water also it considered as one of the nutrient. So water also very important. These are the point what we have learned from your previous classes regarding this lesson. So dear students, now let us discuss in details about that today's part, that is the food and health. So here food and nutrients. First point is that food and nutrients. Second point is the types of nutrients. In the types of nutrients, the different nutrients are divided into three parts, such as energy giving nutrients, body building nutrients and protective nutrients. The nutrients are divided into three main parts. So let us know in details first point, food and nutrients. So dear students, as I said before, the food is one of the important point of our life, right? So because the food gives us energy, right? The food gives us energy to survive, right? So next, the food contains different types of nutrients, such as carbohydrates, protein, vitamins and minerals and fats. These are the different nutrients which are present in the food. So dear students, as I said before, the water also one of the important thing for our life, right? So because the food, water is considered as sixth nutrients of the food. So water, it helps to digest the food and it maintains the body temperature. So because of that, the water is considered as sixth nutrients from the food. So dear students, here if you eat only one kind of food, it does not give nutrients. So because we have to eat, we have to take wide variety of food in our daily routine. Because different types of food, it contains different kinds of nutrients. So we have to take different types of food in our daily life. This is one more important point. So next, dear students, as I said before, the nutrients are the thing which is present in the food. So the nutrients are present in all kind of food. Next point is that types of nutrients. So dear students, as I said before, our nutrients are divided into three main parts, such as energy giving nutrients and body building nutrients and protective nutrients. So according to their importance of the food nutrients are divided into different parts. Then let us discuss in details about that different types of nutrients. Dear students, now let us discuss in details about that types of nutrients. So the types of nutrients are three types, right? So each and every nutrients are considered into different kinds of nutrients. So first is that energy giving nutrients. In the energy giving nutrients, we can see two nutrients, such as These are the two energy giving nutrients. So let us know in details about that. What are the importance? How does it provide the energy and how does it help us to grow and remain healthy? So first point is that carbohydrates. The carbohydrates is one of the energy giving nutrients. Why it is considered as carbohydrates is one of the energy giving nutrient? Because it provides more energy than the other nutrients. Carbohydrate nutrients are bread, pasta, sugar, syrup and cereals. Such kinds of food items are considered as carbohydrates nutrients. So dear students, as I said before, the sugar and starch, these are the two carbohydrates food. So here sugar it provides that more energy and the starch it provides the energy as slow process. It gives slow energy for the body. So because of that the carbohydrate content foods are considered as energy giving food. So let us move on to the next point, that is fats. So dear students, the fats is known as higher energy giving food. So which are the fats contain food? For example, oil, ghee, butter, such kinds of food are known as fats contain nutrient food. So dear students, here the fats are, it provide the energy for later use. It contain higher energy, right? So it's stored in the body and it can use as a later use. So because of that the fats and carbohydrates are known as energy giving food. So dear students, next point is that body building nutrients. So dear students, as you know all, the proteins are known as body building nutrients. Why do we consider as protein is one of the body building nutrients? Because it helps to develop the muscles and it gives firmness to the skin and hair. It helps to grow the muscles with skin as well as hair. So because of this reason, the protein contained foods are known as body building nutrients. It helps to develop or grow the muscles and as well as bones. So let us know different protein contained food. Here first one is fish, egg, meat. Such kinds of foods are known as proteins. So dear students, now let us discuss in detail about the third point of this types of students. Shall we discuss in details about that third point of the nutrients, types of nutrients. So that is protective nutrients. So which nutrients are known as protective nutrients? Vitamins and minerals are known as protective nutrients. Why do we consider is one of the protective nutrients? Because it protects from the diseases. So because of that the vitamins and minerals are considered as protective nutrients. So it will be fight off the infectious diseases, the VMC diseases. So dear students, if the body it has lack of vitamins and minerals, lack of adequate vitamins and minerals to the body, it causes deficiency diseases. So we have to take adequate amount of vitamins and minerals. That body it cannot need more of that vitamins and minerals. It needs small quantity of vitamins and minerals. So we have to take proper quantity of these nutrients. So dear students, which helps to digest the food and it will be protect the body. So it is the importance of protective nutrients. So dear students, let us know in details about that vitamins and minerals. So dear students, first one is that vitamins. Here which are the food items are known as vitamins and vitamins. So first is that vitamins it need smaller quantity to the body. So which are those? For example, leafy vegetables, green leafy vegetables and that fruits or contain vitamins and minerals. So which are these vitamins? C, D, E, K are known as vitamins. Here these are the vitamins which are important to the body. It controls the deficiency diseases. So we have to take adequate quantity of that vitamins. Here each and every vitamins it has specific function to perform in the human body. So it is very important to the human body. Next, let us move on to the next point, that is minerals. So as it is like vitamins, the minerals also it's need smaller quantity to the body. So different kinds of food it contain minerals. For example, calcium, phosphorus. So these are the minerals which are present in the food. So dear students, the minerals also it has specific function to perform in the human body. Calcium it is very essential to the bone and teeth. It becomes strong. So with the help of calcium mineral. So as it is iron. Iron content foods are very important. That iron it increases the red blood cells. So as it is each and every minerals it has specific function. So we have to take adequate quantity of the vitamins and minerals. So next move on to the next point of this lesson is that water. So dear students, as I said before, water is one of the 6th nutrients from the food. Why do we consider it is one of the nutrient? So dear students, here water it does not provide directly to the body. Directly it cannot provide that nutrient, but it has specific function. What are the specific function? For example, the water which helps to digest the food. As it is, it maintains the body temperature. So because of this reason, the water is considered as 6th nutrient. So dear students, regularly we have to take 8 liters of water per day. Per day we have to take 8 liters of water. So it is water is very essential and very most important for the human body. So dear students, here next let us move on to the next point, that is fiber and roughage. So this is also part of our food, right? So we have to take fibers and roughage also in medium quantity. So dear students, what is the importance of fiber content food? So dear students, do you know what are the fiber content food? Yes, green leafy vegetables, fruits, it's contain fiber content food. So dear students, what is the importance in the human body? The fibers are very important in the human body because which helps to store the food longer period, because it cannot digest very easily. It gives strength to the human body, as well it provide energy. So as well as it helps to digest the food which cannot digest very easily in the human body. So here as it is, the stomach and small intestine to work efficiently in the human body. Stomach and small intestine which will work very efficiently in the human body. So these are the importance of fiber and roughage. So raw vegetables like carrot, beans, beetroot, such type of food and cereals, such kinds of food it contains fiber and roughage. So dear students, these are the different nutrients which are present in the food. So we have to take adequate quantity in our daily routine. So this is about that nutrients. Dear students, now let us know what are the HATS questions are present in that part 1 video. So dear students, as we discussed about that carbohydrates, right? So the carbohydrates, it contain sugar and starch. So here how does it become as a starch and sugar? By breakdown of the each part of the food. By breaking down of the food items, it converted into glucose. It gives us sugar as a glucose. So that sugar is converted into glucose. That glucose, it gives us energy. So dear students, next question is that name any one food which contain energy giving food as well as body building food. Which food item is known as two kinds of nutrient? Yes, that is milk. Milk provide us as considered as body building food and as well as energy giving food. So milk is very important. We have to take milk in daily. So it is very important. So dear students, there is one question in your textbook. Which food it contained more fiber? For example, fruit or raw vegetable or juice of the vegetables. Yes, you are right that raw vegetables, it contain more quantity of fiber. So we should not waste peel of the fruit or vegetable. We must and we have to take peel of the vegetables and fruit. That is also very important for the digestion of the food. So dear students, these are the important points which are present in your part 1 video. So dear students, you have to read the textbook very clearly. With that, you have to write that what did you learn question. The page number 266. Write the what did you learn question and send to me photocopy. So dear students, here, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.